Wow naman mga kabalen, ikichongan din, alright? Talagang meging masaya mo pang madrama, ing milyaring mumuna pa mong audition yan. Ni kaya katamong season 2, Okay Musika Balen, di ba Tam?
At may excited ko dahil mas nakatapan na dapat abangan tayong talents niya ni Okay Musika Season 2.
Kaya Beckett, syempre, pasalamatan tala rin kaya katamong maging jurors.
The first audition day exceeded our expectations and I think we have found future Kapampangan stars.
Wow!
Huli na niyan, talagang King Okay Musika, akit mong dapat talang dinan opportunity ang pong chance. Din kaya katamong Kapampangan na sobrang talentado.
Masaya ko naman, ulit nakagtamo ba yung na-discovery na talento at big challenge siya para ka na ako hindi bilang musical director na samasan ko pa yung pamanurong Kapampangan folk songs and Kapampangan pop songs, Karela.
Siyempre, higit kanyan, pasalamatan na larin ng Okay Musika Balen rin kaya katamong sponsors. Meging posibleng kaya katamong first audition day, oling ka rin susunod.
Pampanga's Best, now halal certified. Shared in the commercial complex, now open for lease. You may contact Rose at 045-636-4288.
The all-new Kings Royal Hotel and Resort, the Kings Royal Promenade,
Kentors Multimedia and Portfolio Event Solutions.
Q&A Productions Enterprise, a record label company, now accepting music album production. At syempre, salamat mo naman King Masanting at matinakan tamong Director, Direct Ray Bayubay.
At syempre, king manyaman na pamangan ng Okay Musika Balen, ing Mundang Chinese Seafood Restaurant at Mrs. Best, the home of Pampanga's Best Deli, located at the ground floor of Marquee Mall. Come and visit!
Marakal kayo pa dapat akit ang pong akilalang bayong karakter keng bayong season na ning Okay Musika Balen.
Akala salamat ka rin yun, karing sinuporta karing kaya katamong bayong programa.
Mikiti kita mo next week para Bayan King.
Okay Musika Balen Season 2!